What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm working on the GTR again, trying to figure out where the boost leak's coming from. 2 days ago, me and we did a pressure leak test. We put these pressure gauge right here to block the intake, and we shot some air through the system. We sprayed some soapy water trying to figure out where the leak is at, and we did find some leak coming from these vacuum lines that's connected to the wastegate into the main lines that goes into the boost controller. So those lines were leaking because they were old and brittle. So I went ahead and changed those, and no more leaks coming from there no more. But when we fixed that, I guess the air is leaking somewhere else now, and so I couldn't figure out where it's coming from because there are so many vacuum lines, and of course the GTR, the spaces are very, very tight, and it's hard to get your hands in there. And so I went on Amazon and I ordered this smoke leak detector for $39. It came in the next day pretty fast. It came in a cool little box. And I also ordered some smoke fluid. I put in this little bottle here, and we're gonna put it in here now. So it comes with a little screw top right here. Look at this. I don't want to put too much. Put half of it first. And then it comes a connector that goes into you're supposed to connect to your batteries. But then I didn't want to damage any like electronic parts. So I went ahead and connected to my little jumper box right here. Deposit right here. Also make sure to open your garage, get the air vent. I got my fan on. Don't want to choke myself in here. Running, it's on. You can definitely smell the smoke now. So the line's coming from here down here, connects to right here, and I plugged it right there. So I don't see no more smoke over here where we first found the big old leak. So I guess it's pretty much set over here. There's smoke coming from here. Wow. I bet it's coming from the intercooler. Oh yeah. There you go. So I guess I'll have to take off the front bumper and go from there. I'm gonna turn this off because it smells. Whew. Nothing over here. I'm just glad because I was watching a lot of YouTube videos and they said it comes from the intake manifold, and so I'm just so glad I don't have to deal with this intake manifold over here, because that's a lot of things I gotta take off, you know. If you're having a hard time, I guess this is probably one of the best solution to finding a boost leak is by getting this cheap little machine from Amazon and solve your problem right away, because you could be spraying soap water all day, all night, and it might not work as good as the smoke detector. So all right, so I'm glad I found it. Hopefully this solves the issue.